What inspired you to pursue a career in chemistry?
I remember when I was grade 9, I have this teacher, her name is Ma'am Biduli Alves. She teaches us chemistry, and we have this like one exam that we took. It's about chemistry, and surprisingly, I got a perfect score, and that's where I felt my love in chemistry. And starting back then, I started to love chemistry, and I wanted to pursue the chemistry profession. And every time I books or we study chemistry, I feel the comfortability, the ease while studying chemistry. So that's where I realized since grade 9 that I really want to pursue chemistry. And to answer the question straight, Ma'am Billy also inspired me to pursue chemistry profession.
Can you share the key steps you took to become a professional chemist?
The first key step that I took to pursue chemistry is, of course, you should choose rightfully which course in college you wanted to pursue, because there's a lot of chemistry related courses, and you should pick where you feel like you really belong. So that's what I did, and I feel like I wanted to go to the laboratory, like to work in laboratories, I mean, and that's where I realized I wanted to take BS chemistry, because there is like a BS engineering, chemical engineering, I mean, and that's a different path, different work, and yeah, so that's what I took first. That's the first step. And after you got into the university, of course, you should also choose the best university that offers the best education for your profession, your chosen profession. And second is nothing else but commitment and focus on your goal to to graduate and become a chemist, yeah, professional.
What do you enjoy most about working in field of chemistry?
Well, some people find this funny, but it's like you're working on the macro and micro level type, like you're studying on things that you cannot see. I think that's very.
Good afternoon, sir. So I'll be interviewing. It's okay if I ask a few questions.
Go ahead.
Question number one: why do you want to work in this industry? Repeat your manual.
Well, uh, prior to entering the fire service, I worked as an electrical engineer from, uh, let, let's just say, 2 or 3 multiple companies. Ano? Uh, okay lang mag, ano,
Yes, sir.
just see in people, particularly in and right from these companies. One of them is a contractor company. So I design electrical system when we are given a project. One of the project that I designed is from uh, Bulacan, but unfortunately I did not finish it due to uh, for some reasons that I applied in the uniform service. Ito sana for service a week, but I did not. Parang it was a short-term contract. I um, uh, in the previous job that I entered. For some reason, it is relevant in my current job right now, since, for example, when there are business owners that are applying for a business permit for their businesses, they applied here in this office for an FSEC for safety evaluation clearance. I am one of the evaluators, building plan evaluators, that check the building plans, and part of it, I check the building plans whether it complied to the necessary fire safety requirements that are required for a business establishment or a building structure. To operate and get a business permit eventually. Yeah. In addition to that, when I am checking a building plans, the actual building, the actual plan of the building.
What inspired you to be a firefighter?
What inspired me to be a firefighter? So the primary reason that inspired me to be a firefighter is the gratitude that I get from the community that I serve, and the fulfillment that I get from doing my job.
So, question number 3. What is the most important quality for a firefighter?
Always serving professionalism as much as possible. We always act professional in all possible ways. Another quality is always strive for excellence. Even the little thing that we do, we always make sure that we always strive for excellence.
What strategies are used during teaching?
The strategies or ways in teaching learning process are the games, puzzles, pantomimes, guessing games, and other activities that can help catch the learner's attention to make them active participate in the teaching learning process.
How do you assess student progress?
Student progress can be assessed through the test after the lesson, formative test, summative test, and per-unit test.
How do you support struggling learners?
Struggling learners can be taught through individual teaching. Though it is hard for us as a teacher, we need to give them more efforts and ample time to be learned so that they can be learned. They should also given activities or varied activities suited to their abilities. They should also motivate properly. They should be also motivated properly so that the learners can be fast or can learn fast after the discussions, and they must be treated equally.